Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's feeling good today. This is going to be the first episode in the new series I'm doing on my channel called NBD or Not. So basically, I'm going to learn a new trick, and you guys are going to let me know if you think it's ever been done before. It's kind of weird in skateboarding. It's hard to know if a trick's actually never been done. You know, just like there's so many kids, skate parks all over the country that have never filmed the tricks they've done, but I feel like it'd be cool to learn a new trick, put it out there, and you guys could all, you know, give your input, see if you know someone who's done it, if you think it's been done, and also give ideas for new tricks. Yeah, I'm psyched to keep pushing myself, try to keep learning new tricks. Today's trick is gonna be a Fakie Bigflip to nose stall. I've messed around with this one in the past. Super awkward trick, really tough to get around. I've done a similar trick to this. It's like a Fakie Bigflip to nose pick during my 50 Tricks, 50 States challenge. And I've done it one other time after that. So I know I have like the general rotation, but getting it around to nose stall is just a completely different beast. Like I said, there's a possibility this one's been done before. It's not too crazy, but definitely an awkward one. So gonna mess around with it, see if we can get it. All right, see where we're at. Yep. All right, might be a long day. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it. To get it around, I almost have to flip it like a forward flip and like really flick down so the board kind of inverts so it can land in the nose stall. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, that's definitely the trick. You gotta like really get a good pop and kind of float over the coping, because normally when I was doing a trick like this, I'd kind of just, you know, barely hit the tail kind of as I'm riding up and flip the board quickly. This one, I really need to get like solid pop, then dip it down, and that kind of helps it get into place. Right there. Yeah. See how I'm like sucking my legs up? Damn. Nope. You can see the difference there, right? Because it didn't like dip down, so it wasn't really close. Nope. So awkward, man. Maybe if I swing my shoulders around. All right. Not even close. My foot's gonna turn into jello from having to flick so hard. Oh, could have been bad. All right, it's gonna be a tough series to maintain. Okay, it's there, it's in place. Just gotta land on it now. All right, getting there. All right, let's get a stick right here. That was a good one. I've been putting my foot somewhat high on the board because I feel like with the forward flip it just kind of makes sense to help it dip down, but I don't know, I'm just gonna mess around trying in the middle. Maybe that'll help. One try, I'm like right there. Next try, it looks like I've never skated before. I am not even getting close right now. Hey, yo. I don't know how much more my foot could take. Wow. I don't know if I'm gonna get this one. Yeah. Good, how you feeling? Yeah, it's not even just my foot getting tired from flicking so much. It's like when you're setting up, you gotta be standing on your toes, so your ankle muscles is working double time. Ow. I think how it's gonna have to happen is like land it almost like the nose pick, but like think about it like this, and then the rest will happen as I, you know, land on the nose, maybe. Oh man. Wow. That's good. Bugs in my coffee. Ow. I will get this trick. That was it. I'm flicking in such a weird way. Sometimes it's not even flicking off the board. It's hitting like my ankle. Crazy. No! I didn't even mean to take my foot off. I had all the intention of sticking that. I don't even know what happened. Oh! I'm getting closer though, more consistently. Whew. Hell yeah. Whew. Psyched on that. Oh man. I couldn't even see where the board was. I feel like my sweatshirt was in my way and I just happened to land in it. All right, psyched on that one. Took a while to get. Now I know why people don't really do that trick. But yeah, you guys leave a comment. Let me know what trick I should learn next. Try to keep it to mini ramp tricks because let's be real, I can't probably get an NBD anywhere else but on a mini ramp. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.